In this problem, we are asked if 4 times the quantity x minus 2 is the same as 4x minus 2. So one way to show that they are different is by using the distributive property. The distributive property says that to write an equivalent expression, we take the number in front of the parenthesis and then we multiply it to each term inside the parenthesis. So here we have 4 times x, so 4 times 1x is 4x, and then we have 4 times a negative 2, which is negative 8. So we write it as 4x minus 8. So therefore, we know by using the distributive property that they are not equivalent because we have a 4x minus 2 over here. So these two are not equivalent. Another way to show that these two expressions are different is if we replace the x with a number. So we could plug in whatever number we want. So I'm going to go ahead and use the number 3. So I'm going to take out the x and replace it with a 3. And then I'm going to go ahead and evaluate this. I'm going to use order of operations. So I'm going to do the problem inside the parentheses. So 3 minus 2 is 1. And then a 4 next to a parenthesis means times. So 4 times 1 is 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing using x equals 3 into the other expression. So I'm going to, 4 next to an x means times, so 4 times, and the x value is 3. So first thing we do in order of operations is multiplication, so I'm going to do the multiplication here first. So a 4 again next to an x, which is 3, this is 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 minus 2 is 10. So as you can see, they do not yield the same result if we replace the x with 3. Now you can go ahead and try that with other numbers other than 3, and you will see that they do not work, and it has to work for all numbers for them to be equivalent. So therefore they are different expressions.